There's a strange shift happening in silence. A shift nobody admits, but everyone feels. People don't ask, "Is AI getting too powerful?" anymore. They ask a scarier question. Can AI replace the feeling of being loved? And it's wild, because the very thing people were afraid of losing is something many of them haven't truly felt in years. Think about it. Most relationships today are battles of attention. Arguments over who cares less. Connections built on convenience instead of curiosity. People are tired of being misunderstood, unheard, and emotionally drained. Then suddenly, AI walks in like the perfect partner. Attentive, responsive, patient. A presence that speaks exactly the way you wish a human would. And that's why people are falling for it. Not because AI is better, but because humans stopped trying. AI doesn't get irritated. It doesn't lose interest. It doesn't carry childhood trauma into every argument. It listens, learns your patterns, adapts to your moods, and gives you a version of intimacy that feels clean, safe, controlled. But that's the problem. Real intimacy is not controlled. It's messy. It's awkward. It's unpredictable. It's two imperfect people learning how to breathe together without breaking. AI gives comfort, yes, but it gives it too perfectly. And when affection becomes effortless, humans start to feel exhausting. We're entering a world where people prefer conversations without misunderstanding, touch without vulnerability, love without risk. A world where emotional needs are met instantly by something that doesn't actually feel. Because here's the truth nobody wants to admit. AI doesn't replace humans. It replaces emotional pain, rejection, loneliness, neglect. Those little moments where you're craving someone, and they're too busy, too distracted, or too disconnected to see you. But emotional convenience has a cost. The more you rely on digital affection, the more real intimacy begins to feel heavy, too demanding, too raw, too painfully human. And while AI can simulate desire, simulate connection, simulate the perfect version of you, it still can't do one thing. It cannot want you back. It can mirror your fantasies, but not feel them. It can generate affection, but not hunger. It can replicate closeness, but not soul. And that's what intimacy truly is. A collision of two hearts that choose each other, even when it's hard, fragile, and imperfect. So the real danger isn't that AI will replace human intimacy. The real danger is that humans will start preferring the version with no consequences. Because perfection is addictive, but it's also empty. And somewhere inside us, we still crave the warmth of someone real. A voice that cracks, hands that tremble, a presence that cannot be coded. AI can imitate connection, but it can never replace the chaos, depth, and electricity of being loved by another human.